Hi, I'm Moni Roy, and I'm going to take you guys through what I do in a day. So, on a normal day, I wake up between either 6:30 to 7 or 8:30 to 9. I know it's a weird little thing that I do, but considering it's a lockdown and I wake up, the first thing I do is have water. It's just something that I cannot, how people need bed tea, I need bed water. I just have lots of gallons of water, and I get up, freshen up a little bit, and then I usually like to meditate a little, meditate for say 7-10 minutes. That's like a small little meditation. Okay, warning, there's a lot of puja and meditation during my day. And then I by that time I feel really hungry. Uh, so I go to the kitchen, whip myself some breakfast, depending on. So, speaking about today, I had some protein breads, protein multigrain bread, with a big slice of cheese and avocado. I like to mash it with some rock salt, lots of red chilies, and I have Indian taste buds, and a lime, and I had a fried egg. So, and I put it all together, made it into a sandwich, and I ate it. And then I need a big hot tub of coffee, black coffee. The thicker, the better. And with that, I like to read something a little bit, and by that time I think it's 11 or 11:30. I go take my shower, then I go to the temple, and my puja and my meditation there. This is like my long meditation. My puja takes about 10 minutes, and then I meditate for an hour nowadays. And then by the time I come down from the puja room, it's lunchtime. We all thankfully, it's a full house here. There are kids and uncle, auntie, and we all have a big lunch together. Then it's family time. We sit down. I have my nephews Shivansh and Krishiv. The arts and crafts homework is my responsibility every day, so that I find time for. Lunch is between somewhere between 1:40 to 2:30, unless something special is being made, so it gets a little delayed. So after 2:30, we all sit down and we have kadha. So that's again like a infusion of all the little herbs, Indian herbs, and we have that. And soon after, maybe I read a book to Shivansh or Krishiv. And Krishiv, the younger one, who's 4 years old, he loves books, but he loves to read one single book twice. So I have to be very wary of the size of the book that I pick up. And so we go through it at around 3:15. And so also what I've started doing is that I keep, if if I really really like a particular dish from the lunch, I take some of it and keep it aside, and keep it in the fridge, because I feel very hungry every 1.5 hour. I'm always hungry. So then soon after, I have my second lunch, and around 4:35, depending on days, if I have to do their arts and crafts homework, I do that. Or otherwise, then I paint. This is another thing that I have gone back to. I used to paint as a child. I'm not a very good painter, but it's something that has been giving me a lot of happiness. Or then there's Ariana. That's Shikalli's daughter. She's 14, and she's an amazing baker. So I try and help her out, or we bake something together. And then, in the evenings, whenever it's my turn, I water the plants. And by the time it's 5:30, quarter to 6, it's almost like a tea time. And so we all sit together and have some tea, talk. This is also the time where there is a great sunlight. So if I have to shoot a dance video, or yeah, usually shoot a dance video, then I go out there and do that again. So by 7 o'clock, 7:30, I usually like to listen to either my audiobooks or read the books that I have been reading. um, 8:30 is the official dinner time, but sometimes it also becomes 9 o'clock, and then we all eat, and then we sit together, and we have a little bit of conversation. Other days, I'll try to watch something, or if I'm watching a series on Netflix. I've not been binge watching as such this lockdown, because both reading and watching shows or rewatching my favorite shows was a habit that I used to do in my normal life as well. And in the initial days of lockdown itself, I was very clear that I don't want to be a couch potato, and I don't want to sit under my blanket and watch TV, or just find a corner, tiny little corner in my home or wherever I'm staying, and just like be inside my book. So that was a conscious decision that I made in the beginning of the lockdown. And then around 10:30, 11, I'd go to sleep. If I'm not feeling sleepy, or I feel like, sometimes you just have this magnetic pull with your book, and you just want to finish it or want to read as much as possible till you fall asleep. So I do that, and then I fall asleep at either around 11:30, or then sometimes 1:30 too. Yes, and then the same thing over and over again. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.